What is good, YouTube? Your girl is back with another Vlogmas video. I hope you guys are liking this cute little Candyland gingerbread candy centerpiece that I made with just about all Dollar Tree items. If you want to see how I did it, you guys, just stay tuned. So first off, guys, here's what you're gonna need. Ornaments of your choice, a foam block, round foam block, glue gun and some glue sticks, some garland, circular candies with little sticks if you have them, like I said, ornaments of your choice, scissors, and then also a vase. So the first thing that I did, you guys, and also I got these little candies with the sticks from Amazon. They came in a pack of 12 for about $6. You can also make these, you guys, yourself out of simply foam board from Dollar Tree. Just buying one of the foam boards with some markers and just pretty much coloring out the spaces on them. And that works just as well with probably like a popsicle stick or either like a dowel, a wooden dowel rod, one of the smaller ones, not a big one, y'all. And that would probably work just as well. So what I did was I took my garland, I cut a little piece off of it just to cover the bottom of my face, and then I filled it about a third of the way just to add a pop of shine and color. And then I took my foam block, I put it towards the top, and I put the glue around the rim to secure the block in place. Because what I noticed when I did the first one is that if you do not do that, it will wobble all over the place and possibly fall off from the weight of everything that you're going to be putting on the top of it. So definitely make sure you guys secure that down. Once you get that in place, just pretty much decorate the top of it however you want. I used the lollipops, and 2 of them. I could have used more, but I wanted to put some on my tree. So I only used 2 per vase. I only did 2 vases so far. I don't know if I'm going to do more or not. I think I'm just going to stick with the 2. But I put the 2 vases there. I did one with a giant gingerbread. I did another one with little candy train, and then also I believe it had a cupcake with it. Did it have a cupcake? No, it had a gingerbread, a piece of candy. Oh yeah, and the candy train. And then each of them had 2 of the big candy canes towards the back of it. Just adding extra color and extra candy. And once that was done, I just kind of took more garland, went around the foam block towards the top, trying to kind of conceal the foam block so that it wasn't just sticking out, making it apparent that it was like a foam block right there. Now you can leave it there and kind of decorate it, because I realized once I was done that I could have kind of made it look like a gumdrop, y'all. So I could have put glitter on top of it, and then I also could have made it look kind of like a coated chocolate top. So I could have did some squiggles around the top of it, and then just painted brown. I could have put sprinkles on it. I could have did all types of things. So I didn't realize this till I was finally finished, y'all. But I feel like the garland did its job. It turned out pretty freaking cute, y'all. I loved it. I thought it was really, really creative and interesting. It's really crazy to see what I come up with whenever I put my mind to something. So I am finally able to finish the rest of the hallway, finally able to finish the rest of the living room and kitchen. So guys, just stay tuned for the rest of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of it. Pretty much I just explained what else was happening in it, but enjoy, you guys. See you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas.